This is Appleby College's pitch for the Global Forum, and it's all about Microsoft OneNote. OneNote is a do-it-all wonder thing. It's a blank canvas that people can fill with education. But the blank page can be frightening. When teachers were left on their own to work with OneNote, its awesomeness wasn't bought into. Sure, some individual keener teachers clicked a lot of buttons and set a lot of permissions and emailed a lot of links, but that was time-consuming for every teacher to do. So Appleby College teachers went to IT and said, let's find a way to make it work for everyone. And so together they did. For the past 2 Septembers, Appleby College has automatically generated shared OneNote binders for each class, with individual section tabs for the teacher and for each student. Security and permissions are preset by the network app. Every day, teachers and students add about 4 gigabytes of information to the server. Ink, text, images, video, presentations, audio, you name it. Each student only sees and works with their section and can see and copy, but not edit, the teacher's section. The teacher sees every student's section and can interact with their content. Every student area comes pre-configured with an assignment Dropbox tab and a tab for returned work that is read-only to the student. There is a hidden area within each student section where the teacher can mark and assess student work in progress. The parents can view all the content in the student section and the teacher section, including all the teacher interaction, markup, homework, assessment rubrics, and notes. Within the teacher section, there is a private section that is invisible to students and parents that the teacher can use for upcoming content, grades, and anecdotal comments. There is also a group section in which collaborative sections are created so that small groups of students can work together within the notebook, and teachers can monitor and assess their work. The entire notebook is synced to the master copy on SharePoint continually, so that if their device is lost or broken, they will never lose a thing. If they don't have internet connection, they can still work with their content, since OneNote is also cached locally. At the moment, the creation of the notebook is through a process tied to Appleby Student Information Database, with the system having to rely on an on-premise SharePoint installation. Using the donation from Microsoft, we'd like to share the learning space that Appleby has with any school in the world with internet access. Our goal is to make it 3-click easy for any teacher using the cloud-based Office 365. By uploading a spreadsheet with the course name, teacher, and list of students, 2 clicks, and starting the process, 1 click, the notebook will be created on Office 365. There will also be an app to add students to the course after initial creation or to hide a student tab if they are no longer in the course. We've got an amazing programming team. They responded to real pedagogical and assessment needs of teachers, and now they're ready to help roll things out to everyone else. The OneNote binders improve the communication and feedback loop for teachers, students, and parents. They also assist with student organization, the perception of the course as an accumulation of organized knowledge, and they encourage creativity and collaboration. They work out well for face-to-face, flipped, and distance learning situations. OneNote overcomes other LMS's limitations. It reduces our internal reliance on IT staff, it doesn't require teachers to be programmers, and it allows learning to take place anywhere and anytime. We'd like to share this educational use of OneNote with the world.